Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 7, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 8, and y equals negative 40.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 7 to x equals 8, the run is 1. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals negative 40, the rise is negative 42.
Slope is rise divided by run, negative 42 over 1, which simplifies to negative 42. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is negative 42, x1 is 7, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.